Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. So I have a confession to make. I have never worn a crop top until just recently, and now I own two of them. I am so happy that I went with these tops from REORIA because let me just tell you, the quality of these tops is exceptional. So they are made out of 75% nylon and 25% spandex. So not only do they feel super soft to touch, but they feel even better while you're wearing them. They feel so soft against my skin. And the spandex gives it a nice stretch to them, which makes them even more comfortable. And I love the fact that they're double lined. That means they're a bit thicker than your average top so that they're not see-through at all. And they also give you that support that you need. And I also like the fact that they're fitted and they hug my skin, but it's not your typical overly clingy type material that just keeps riding up. These tops stay in place and they're very breathable. They never made me overly hot or sweaty, even on the warmest days. REORIA has so many cute colors to choose from, you guys. I bought the yellow and the neon pink in size small, which is typically what I wear. And I think the solid high neck design makes these tops simple yet dressy, and you can pair them with any type of bottoms because they will literally go with everything and give your outfit a more cute and girly look. So needless to say, I will definitely be getting more of these in all different colors. So if you haven't hopped on the crop top bandwagon yet, I would highly recommend you check these out. But that's just my point of view.